The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Davao del Norte in Region 11 or Davao Region. The province of Davao del Norte has Tagum City as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 11 or Davao Region. It is composed of 3 cities, 8 municipalities, and 223 barangays. It was founded on May 8, 1967. The total land area is 3,422.61 kilometers squared or 1,321.48 square miles. Davao del Norte is bordered clockwise from the north by Agusan del Sur, Davao de Oro, Davao Gulf, Davao del Sur, and Bukidnon. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Davao del Norte in Region 11 or Davao Region. We have the municipality of Asuncion with 20 barangays, municipality of Braulio y Duhali with 5 barangays, municipality of Carmen with 20 barangays, municipality of Kapalong with 14 barangays, municipality of New Corelia with 20 barangays, the component city Panabo City with 40 barangays, the component city Samal City with 46 barangays, and the municipality of San Isidro with 13 barangays. We also have the municipality of Santo Tomas with 19 barangays, the provincial capital and the component city Tagum City with 23 barangays, and the municipality of Talaingod with 3 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Davao del Norte in Region 11 or Davao Region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.